Hello everyone! Today we are gonna do a gacha tutorial. So let's begin. Everything that I'll be sharing in this video is based on my own experience. Part 2. First open CapCut. Click New Project and then add the screenshots. Make every shot 0.1 second long. It will make it look smooth. Make the tripping or any other type of scenes you want even faster. Import it now and create new project, then get the video you imported. And now go to aspect ratio and change it to any size you want your video to be. Now use key to make it move with the walk. Add key at the start and then where you want the move to stop. Then go to animation and add fade out at the end. Import it and you're done. Here is the final animation.